In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use the Talking Actors functionality. This is a functionality that became very popular because of Arcad's AI. But in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use it in NovoAds AI that is an alternative where you can do the same type of videos, but in a platform that is much cheaper. And that actually you can try for just $1. For example, in Arcad's, you have to pay more or less $77 only to try the platform. So let's go to NovoAds AI, and here we need to click in the Talking Actors functionality. Now we have to click in Add Actors, and now if we go to the official actors, here we have more than 100 actors that you can use. Now if you prefer to use your own actor, that even could be a photo of yourself, you have to go to the My Actors section. Now we have to click here in Create Actor, and actually if we click here, we can create an image of our actor. For example, a beautiful blonde woman in their 20s. So now let's click here in Generate, and now we have to wait like a minute. Perfect, here we have the result, and now let's choose, for example, this image that I like it. So let's click here. Now click in Select a Voice, and here in Gender, we're going to choose female, age, young, languages, English, and in accent, let's choose American, for example. Now let's search for a voice.
Check out the new promotion from Glow Girl.
Well, I liked the first one, so let's click this option. Now let's click in Pick Voice, and now let's click in Create Actor. Now, if we go down here, you can see the actress of the video. So let's click. Now let's click in Save Changes, and now we just have to write what we want the actress to say. So let's write, for example, well, this is the text that I'm going to use. It's a very simple text, as you can see. So now let's click here, and here we can listen a preview of the audio that the video will have. So let's click here, and now let's listen the audio.
Hello, welcome to NovoAds, the best platform for using talking actors.
Well, I like it, but imagine that you didn't like it, the audio. You can go here and modify it a little bit. For example, you can increase the similarity, increase a little bit the speed if you want. You can reduce the stability, that way the audio is more expressive. And for example, you can exaggerate the style. So now let's regenerate the audio, and now let's listen it.
Hello, welcome to NovoAds, the best platform for using talking actors.
Well, I like it, so now let's click here, and now click in Generate. And now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. This because the dialogue was very short. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it.
Hello, welcome to NovoAds, the best platform for using talking actors.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot, the video. It looks really realistic. Actually, you can see in the background that there is people walking. The lip sync works really good, and the quality of the video in general is really good. Actually, as I said at the beginning, this Talking Actors functionality uses the same model that the Talking Actor functionality of Arcad's AI, but the difference, as I said, is that in NovoAds is much cheaper. So well, after saying that, I recommend you to try the platform. At the end of the day, it's literally $1. This is less than a coffee. So well, see you in the next video.